Hello guys, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the unit number 1 of the paper number 10. So, question 1 is that English is dash spoken language across the world, narrowly, widely, none of the above. So, English is widely spoken language across the world. Indian English is sometimes dashed to native English speakers, intelligible, unintelligible or ordinary. So right answer is intelligible. English is considered as dashed language for Indians first and acquired both A and B. So English is considered as acquired language for Indians. From the following, which challenge is faced by the teacher while teaching English? Less students in class, overcrowded class, none of the above. So right answer is overcrowded class. English has been language of the academics in subcontinent since 18th century, 19th century, 20th century. So right answer is 19th century. The importance of English in the academic setup is apparent because English is compulsory at postgraduate level, English is compulsory at graduate level, none of the above. So right answer is English is compulsory at graduate level. Dash is the term introduced by Chomsky to describe the actual use of language in concrete situation, parole, paradigmatic, performance. So right answer is performance. Defective pronunciation in India prevails as there is a dearth of books on phonetics, no firm rules for pronunciation, both A and B. So right answer is both A and B. English is accepted as dash language, state language, national language and international language. So right answer is an international language. English is the dash of about 320 million people, second language, mother tongue, both A and B. So, right answer is English is the mother tongue of about 320 million people. Now, English has reduced use of prepositions, inflections, both A and B. So, now English has reduced use of inflections. In India, English has attained the status of dash and administrative language, official, unofficial, none of the above. So in India, English has attained the status of official and administrative language.